friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and today is that special time of the year where I get little boxes shaped like this that say priority mail on them, because what's in here is probably better than gold, better than silver, better than Bitcoin. These in here are the new geocaching vlogger Pathtags. If you're a little bit new to geocaching and you don't know what Pathtags are like a little signature tag coin, about the size of a quarter. They're not trackable, but they do have a number on them, and you can log them on Pathtags.com. They're great for several reasons. They're great to put in geocaches as swag. They're great for trading with people in person, and they're also great for trading online. So today I'm gonna reveal the new 2021 geocaching vlogger Pathtags. I'll let you know how you can get your hands on one of these. Let's go down geocaching vlogger Pathtag memory lane. And I wanna show you all the Pathtags I've created in my career. This first one I'm going to show you is when I created Pathtag before I became the geocaching vlogger. I was called Mayberry Man then, so I made a Barney Fife Pathtag that said Mayberry Man on it. The next one is my very first geocaching vlogger Pathtag, and it just has me holding my camera up, you know, like I do. The next one I created was a shapes one. They don't have to be round circles. You can actually make them into geocaching shapes. So I created this little guy with the big signature thumbs up. As many of you know, from time to time, I like to do the yes chant, yes, 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 every time I find a geocache. So I thought I needed a Pathtag that said, say yes to geocaching. As you can see, this was the year I worked out a lot, because look at those arms. And you all know I love to do my cache pants dance from time to time. And you guys know as geocachers how important it is to get your cache pants on when you go geocaching. So this year I created two tags, one with a color background and one with a white background. And last year I celebrated my 5,000th find with a big birthday bash. There was a DeLorean there was a big sign that said 5,000, and I decided to commemorate it with a Pathtag, both a colored background version and a white version as well. And that brings us to 2021, where I got both a colored background version and a white background version. First thing you know is I got a new artist for this year, and it was Rich from Coma Kino and the Kid. You maybe remember him. I've gone geocaching with him in Washington. Well, he is also a very talented artist, and I wanted to do something to commemorate 10 years of the geocaching vlogger. So the tag had to have something on it that signified those 10 years. All right, first, the colored version. Here it is, the big reveal, dun 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 dun. There it is, a sort of comic version. You can see on the back of the camera is the years 2011 to 2021. My logo's on there. I think that captures the spirit of the geocaching vlogger quite well, don't you? And I also wanted to get a white background version as well. And so here it is, same design, different background. And there it is. What I love about the white background is that the design really does pop on that tag. All right, you might be thinking a couple things. Number one, you might be thinking, Josh, how do I get my own Pathtag? How do I create my own little signature swag coin? Well, simply just go to Pathtags.com. If you're curious a little bit about the process, I made a video for you. You can just click right up there and I show you how to do it. The second thing you might be wondering is, Josh, how can I get your tag? Well, the colored background tags for me are reserved just for my patrons. Those that support me in everything I do here on YouTube and Facebook, on TikTok on a regular basis, those that support me on Patreon for $3 or more a month, they get a tag from me every single year. It is just one way for me to thank them for helping me keep this geocaching inspiration going from year to year. On the Patreon, I also provide exclusive content, early release of videos for higher levels, geocaching vlogger patches, or geocaching vlogger trackable tags. I don't talk about Patreon very much, but if you're interested, go to patreon.com/geocaching vlogger, and all the details are there. And I'd be glad to send you one of those Pathtags. Now, every year I've been creating the white background tags because I want to have tags that I can drop into caches. It's my favorite thing to do with my Pathtags is to drop them into caches. Also at events, it's fun to trade them in person. But this past year has been a little bit different because another thing you can do is that you can trade Pathtags online. The Pathtag.com website has tools where you can connect with other people that own Pathtags and create trades. So this year I'm going to do something that I've never done before, and I'm going to open up the white background tag for trades. So however, this could be quite overwhelming if I was to send all these Pathtags out. So I'm going to trade with 10 of you that would like to do an official online trade. So first of all, you need a Pathtag. If you have a Pathtag, go to Pathtags.com, go to the wish list section, and put this code in on your wish list. I'll give you a week to do so, and I will pick 10 people at random. I'll use random.org, 10 people at random that I will trade for the white background Pathtag. I apologize in advance that it can only be 10, but it just gets a little bit overwhelming with the amount of requests. So I'll give you a week to do so. Get on Pathtags.com, add that tag to your wish list, and maybe maybe random.org will choose you to trade your tag with me. And then I can add it to my Pathtag ammo can. Ooh. To be honest with you, I need about 4 or 5 of these to hold all the Pathtags that I currently own. All right, thank you Pathtags.com for partnering with me on this video. All right, get out there, create your own tag. Maybe join my Patreon, or if you have a Pathtag, put my tag on your wish list and you might get chosen. All right, friends, thanks for watching. Good luck.